This week we're already putting the tile on the kitchen, and we'll also do it in the bathroom. We're doing the blocking on the shower wall so we can install wherever it goes the handicap bar or the support bar. We don't know yet, but we just want to have everything ready. We are also doing the gutters all over the house. So this week we brought the unit, the big unit that goes into the lower area of the house, and we installed the existing one for the upper level. Then we installed the floor for the kitchen, the grouting with the Versailles pattern, and we also installed the floor in the bathroom. We are doing leveling of the shower floor right now, and we have the blocking behind that hardy board area. So the floor is ready for the cabinets to be installed in the kitchen. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.